Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Venu 2 to Spotify. First, ensure your Garmin Venu 2 is fully charged and close to your smartphone. You'll need both the Garmin Connect app and the Spotify app installed on your phone. Most importantly, confirm you have an active Spotify Premium subscription, as this is essential for downloading music to your watch for offline listening. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Next, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Navigate to your device settings, then select the music option. From there, choose Spotify as your preferred music provider. You will then be prompted to log into your Spotify Premium account. This step authorizes the connection between your Garmin watch and your Spotify service, allowing you to access your playlists directly from your wrist. Ensure your login details are correct. Now, let's get your music onto your watch. On your Garmin Venu 2, hold the bottom button to access the music controls. Select Providers and then Spotify to see your available playlists. Choose the specific playlists you want to download. Make sure your watch is connected to a Wi-Fi network for this transfer. Depending on the size, downloading an album might take several minutes, so be patient during the sync. Finally, it's time to enjoy your music. First, connect your favorite Bluetooth headphones directly to your Garmin Venu 2. Once paired, go back to the music controls on your watch, select Spotify, and then pick the playlist you downloaded. You can now listen to your music completely offline without needing your phone. This is perfect for workouts or when you want to leave your phone behind. Enjoy your tunes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.